Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going trick-or-treating in downtown Gatlinburg. This was our trip from last year, 2020. So come along with us and hope you enjoy. Do it again.
Hey guys, we're going trick-or-treating.
Wrong way.
We're going trick-or-treating.
Alright.
Let's go
See if anybody has any candy.
Where's the candy shop you was talking about?
But yeah, if nobody has candy, we're definitely gonna go by the candy shop and buy some candy.
Candy shop is what has good candy.
Is it, do you? Hey, trick or treat! Oh, look, trick or treat!
Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Size bag.
Davis!
There you go. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What do you want? Eat it. Dude, I know it. No, right there.
If you've never been to Gatlinburg, it is so cute and quaint. There are all kinds of attractions there, but also downtown shopping and dining, and it's just so nice. And this was the first time that we had ever been there on a holiday, and so it was a lot of fun seeing everybody dressed up for Halloween and just out having a good time. All the fall decorations were beautiful. So if you've never been to Gatlinburg, I highly recommend it, and I also highly recommend going during a holiday. The traffic for us wasn't too bad with it being a holiday, so we really enjoyed it, and I think you would too. Trick or treat! Oh, Wonder Woman! Trick-or-treating in downtown Gatlinburg. Woo!
Day after day, I'm more confused. Yet I look for the light in the pouring rain. Though it's a game that I hate to lose.
the sun is setting and we are freezing. So by this point, we were ready to get back to our warm, cozy room and rest after a fun-filled evening of trick-or-treating in downtown Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And we are so glad you came along with us. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this and many others. Thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.